how does this connect to Industrial Revolution? We got 3 minutes. Super easy. The whole essence of the Enlightenment is about rights, right? Rights and freedom, right? And so that means, in terms of economics, state control versus no state control. Which is more free? Super easy.
Oh, no state control?
Obviously, okay. So, it's a spectrum. So if you remember even a little bit about American history, in order for the Virginia colony to be formed, what did the colonists have to secure before they went out? Same thing, before the Pilgrims went out to New England, what did they have to secure before they went out? Charter, which is basically a royal authorization. Is the crown sending troops out there? No, no, no. These are individual people. But individual private people cannot do things on their own in 1600. Remember, 1600, this is James I. So we have a spectrum. The first push is to remove that. A guy named Adam Smith. And he is writing basically in the late 1700s. I don't remember the exact date, but I'm just going to put 1790. Wealth of Nations is this book. Okay? And his argument is that nations are most successful and prosperous the more free they are. And the ones that try to control everything are less prosperous. This is a concept that's causing the royals, the nobles and the wealthy peasants to go up to King Louis XVI and say, you are totally screwing up this economy. Because under Louis XVI, he had to authorize everything. Just let us be, and we will fix this. That was the first revolution in France. Now the point here is that this freedom then leads to more innovations, technical innovations, particularly when it follows on the scientific revolution, where you're solving, problem solving. Inductive reasoning is very good for problem solving of material issues. And boom, we start having factories. I will talk much more about this on Monday, and what our goal here for Monday, and I want you to read, if you haven't read about Industrial Revolution, read it. I'm assuming that most of you did. What we're going to talk about on Monday is how does industry, and what I'm really talking about is factories, and I'm talking about mercantilism. How does industry lead to colonization? And the best example of this is, I think we're doing India first, although we may be doing Middle East. Whatever your syllabus says, look at one of those examples, and what you're trying to read when you're reading is finding how does the industrialism lead to this colonization. Questions, comments, words of wisdom? Okay, we'll see you guys on Monday.